Welcome to the wonderful world of dIYFacials, where self-care and beauty come together in perfect harmony. Today, Glamour Guru will guide you through the creation of 10 incredible at-home facials, each designed to pamper your skin in its own unique way. Starting off, enter the realm of gentle exfoliation with the honey and oatmeal mask. A simple blend of equal portions honey and oatmeal. This mask will buff away dead skin cells, leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. Now, prepare to hydrate with the avocado and yogurt mask. This super blend, rich in antioxidants and moisture, nourishes dry and dehydrated skin. Apply a generous layer onto clean skin, relax for 15 minutes, and rinse off for a radiant glow. Next, experience the calming effects of the green tea and aloe vera mask. The soothing properties of green tea combined with the inflammation-reducing powers of aloe vera create a refreshing facial that revitalizes your skin. Our fourth facial brings you the coconut oil and brown sugar scrub. This divine mix not only exfoliates but also deeply moisturizes, leaving you with a radiant glow. Buff away dullness with gentle circular motions to reveal smoother, brighter skin. Fifth, we present the lemon and honey brightening mask. The vitamin C-rich lemons brighten and even out skin tone, while honey hydrates. Apply this mix to your face, let it sit for 10 minutes and rinse off to reveal an instant glow. The cucumber and mint cooling mask is next, perfect for soothing tired, puffy eyes. Blend cucumber slices with fresh mint leaves and apply around your eyes for a refreshing, spa-like experience. Seventh, meet the rose water and witch hazel toner. This toner balances the skin's pH, tightens pores, and reduces inflammation. Apply this mix to a cotton pad and gently swipe across your face for a refined complexion. Eighth, we introduce the turmeric and Greek yogurt clarifying mask. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of turmeric, combined with the soothing and hydrating properties of Greek yogurt, result in a brighter, clearer complexion. Finally, say hello to the strawberry and honey antioxidant mask. The vitamin C and antioxidants in strawberries combat free radical damage, leaving your skin glowing from within when mixed with honey. And that's the beauty of dIYFacials. 10 unique facials, all easy, affordable, and incredibly effective. Remember, beauty is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. So go ahead, try these facials, and let the magic of DIY transform your skin. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, stay beautiful.